So what I'm going to do is show how to do a bottle with the and this is straight off the cuff. I haven't see if it's pixelated, if the is clear enough, so you guys are going through this with me. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up Photoshop, and I already have my template. And this template works for these 16-ounce photo insert water bottles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to I think I want to add in there with is this one. Drag it over. You could either drag it over to, or I'm going to show you another way that you can do it and not lose quality. If you go to File, Embed, and then you add it that way. This way, quality won't be lost. Now, I know you guys are looking at the template in the background, and the top corners are wider than the bottom corner. Well, okay, trick the to and make it fit right in there, perfect. So if you go, I go to, and then I drag the corner there. This dot up. I drag this dot up. Drag this corner. These points, you can where you need them, and it'll just fit perfect. It'll stretch it. It won't lose quality, anything. But the thing about warp is you have that little curvature, and this works perfect. And you just points. You cover the got a straight line over here, straight here, and down here. Now, to do what I is I make it a little curved part a little larger. So when you cut it, you below the picture. You have to the picture. Once again, I just want to make sure all my points are where they're supposed to be. Lines are straight, crisp. And to do that, you hit the check mark up there, and you hit OK. Now, when you as you can see over here, I still have a little bit showing. So what I would do is go click back on my image, go back to transform, warp, and I would just drag my points over a little bit again. Just once again, just to make sure I'm covering the whole template. And there you go. Still missed a little bit. Go back in and just drag my point again. And that should do it. All right. It's pretty good. Now, once again, if I took this white background out, you can see, well, I really don't want to do it because it'll cut into some of the template. I mean, some of the picture, I think, yeah, because it's white on white. So I don't want to do that. But you can, the template like this, you can kind of see some of the edges where you need, and be perfect. It'll come out perfect. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to print this. Print in reverse. You want to exactly like this, and you can laser printer, sublimation printer. The only thing with a sublimation printer is not going to be as vibrant, because you print sublimation, it prints a little darker, or it looks a little faded till it's activated with heat. Then that make it vibrant. So what I use is I print on, you can print it on regular paper, but I use 28 or 32 smooth copy paper. It's phenomenal. You'll see what I mean in a. No, as you can see, this is just an 11 by 8.5 sheet of paper on a color laser copy machine, and you can look and see how good that came out. So what we're going to do now is we're going to cut this out. Gonna cut right around those edges. Don't have to be perfect. Just get as close as you can. Tear that off. You can kind of see how this top rounds off around here. Just get as close as you can. Cut that off. Once again, don't have to be perfect. Kind of eye it. See where that goes. Cut that off. And down here you can kind of see again where the edges are. And just cut around there. And there you have it. You have your template right there ready to go in the water bottle. Now this is the water bottle. Let me adjust that for you guys. You get these off Amazon. Hold on. You get these off Amazon. They're like $8 a piece. They sell for $20. The good thing about this is this top comes out, has washing instructions in there. You can take the bottom off, and when you take the bottom off, there's a template right there. What you can do is match your template up to this template. And as you can see, it's not perfect, but that's okay. That's okay. Even on these, you can put the bottom back on, and some kind of way this top came off. Let's see if I can get it out of here. There we go. It comes loose. Now, has a rubber seal on it, so make sure you put the rubber seal back in there, because that's what keeps water out. So what you can do at this point is you just kind of roll this up, drop it in there, and then you can cut from there. You can adjust it. So if I wanted to cut some of this off so that you can see a little more of the words, I would just take this out. I got a little extra there, and I can cut it off. Fold that back this way. Drop it in there. And voila. Now what I like to do is, as you can see right here, you can kind of see the seam. So sometimes I'm going to use this cut for myself, so I'm not going to do it. But if it was for a customer, I would put Scotch tape right there so that you can't see it. But once you get this in there, put this back there, close that up, put the bottom back on, screw it tight. Get in there. Yeah. You get that. Push that on. Make sure you push that on pretty good, because if you don't, you'll be just screwing for nothing like I was just doing. Bottom on tight. Top back on, and there we go. And there you have the finished product. Like I said, you can get these off Amazon. You can get 6 or 7 of them for like $50. And these sell for $20, and they move real fast. They're durable. And if your client wants something different, you could charge them $10 or $15 just to change the picture on the inside. This is a phenomenal way to make some income. Do us a favor. Hit the like button to show everybody that you like this video, and to show us that we're giving you some good quality content, some things that you can use to create a side hustle or grow your business. And subscribe to our channel, because there's going to be a lot of other projects that we're going to be sharing with you guys, and we hope that we can share things that can help you generate Once again, that side hustle income or permanent income. But thanks again for watching. This is Damon from Creative Designs LLC.